Amphibious Armored Personnel Carrier. The U.S. Marines were looking for a new 8x8 Amphibious Armored Personnel Carrier, which would replace their aging LAV-25 series of armored vehicles that were used since the early 1980s. The U.S. Marine Corps, USMC, currently operates more than 700 LAVs of all variants. The requirement was for a vehicle produced in the United States. So in order to meet this requirement, a number of international companies teamed up with U.S.-based companies as an expediters for the U.S. market. First try. Testing of this vehicle began in 2013. However, in 2013 the program was cancelled due to limited funds. In 2014 the Marine Personnel Carrier Program was combined with the Amphibious Combat Vehicle, ACV, program. The original Italian Iveco Super Avenue armored personnel carrier was modified in several ways to meet USMC requirements. The ACV has a boat-like hull, specially shaped for increased amphibious buoyancy and higher speed on the water. The hull provides several levels of protection against landmines and improvised explosive devices. Crew and get off in explosion-proof seats. The old LAV-25 is very vulnerable to mines. Weapon equipment. The ACV can be armed with a variety of weapons, including a remotely controlled gun station with a 12.7 mm heavy machine gun and even a two-man turret with a 30 mm cannon. But it looks like this design has reached its weight limit and will struggle to support the heavier turret. Marines enter and leave the ACV via a power-operated rear ramp with an integral door. There is also a roof hatch for observation, firing and emergency exits.